Welcome to Brain Vision.
Hello everyone, let us do the following question. Here 2-wattmeter method give P1 and P2 for a 3-phase motor running on 240 volt line. Assume the motor load is Y connected and it draws a current of 6 ampere. We have to find power factor and impedance. If we'll find total power, this is written as P1 plus P2. In the question, this is 1200 minus 400. This is 800. And if we'll write value for QT, this is P2 minus P1. This is minus 400 minus 1200. This will be equals to minus 1600. If we'll solve for tan theta, this is QT by PT. This is minus 1600 by 800. This will be equals to minus 2. And from this we will get theta minus 63.443 degree. If we write power factor, this is cos theta, this is 0.4472 leading. Now if we'll find value for ZP, this is VL upon IL, this is 240 by 6. This will be equals to 40. From we will write ZP 40 minus 63.43 degree ohm. Okay, thank you.